Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Hyundai Elantra sun visor. Before we begin, let's ensure you have the right tools. You'll need a replacement sun visor, of course. For the screws, a Torx bit screwdriver is ideal. If you don't have one, a small Allen key can often work as a clever substitute. Remember to save your original screws, as many new visors do not come with replacements. Now let's get that old, sagging visor out of the way. First, unhook it from the small clip near your rearview mirror. Next, you'll find a plastic cover at the base where the visor attaches to the ceiling. Gently pry this off. This will reveal one Torx screw. Carefully unscrew it, making sure not to lose it. Once the screw is out, simply slide the entire visor assembly away from its mounting point. With the old visor removed, installing the new one is straightforward. Begin by aligning the new visor's hook with the opening in the ceiling. Gently slide it in until it's fully seated. Then, line up the main assembly so the screw hole matches the one in your car's frame. Insert your saved Torx screw and tighten it carefully. Ensure it's snug, but avoid over-tightening to prevent stripping the threads. Great job! Now it's time for a quick check. Move your newly installed sun visor through its full range of motion. Make sure it holds firmly in both the upright and down positions, and that it doesn't obstruct your view while driving. Finally, reattach any plastic covers or clips you removed earlier. You've successfully replaced your Hyundai Elantra sun visor, improving both safety and comfort.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.